Wing Chun Kung Fu is a traditional Chinese martial art known for its practical, efficient, and effective self-defense techniques. Developed over 300 years ago in the southern Chinese province of Guangdong, Wing Chun is renowned for its close-range combat strategies and emphasis on speed, agility, and simplicity. The art's origins are steeped in legend, with the style said to have been created by a woman named Yim Wing Chun, who was inspired by the movements of a crane and a snake. Wing Chun focuses on redirecting an opponent's force and using leverage and timing to overcome larger and stronger adversaries. One of the key principles of Wing Chun is the concept of defeating the opponent's force with softness, meaning practitioners aim to deflect or neutralize an opponent's attack rather than meeting force with force. This principle is reflected in the art's signature techniques, including centerline theory, chi sao, sticky hands, and simultaneous defense and attack. Wing Chun is practiced by individuals of all ages and abilities worldwide, and its popularity continues to grow as more people recognize its effectiveness in real-world combat situations. Its emphasis on practical self-defense, physical fitness, and mental focus make it a highly respected martial art with a rich history and lineage.